Guten Tag alle. Heute reden wir ein bisschen über der Genitiv. The genitive case in German shows possession and is expressed in English by the possessive of or an apostrophe s. The genitive is used more in written German than in spoken form. In spoken everyday German, von plus the dative often replaces the genitive. For example, das Auto von meinem Bruder. You will need to take a good look at this chart to understand how the definite articles and indefinite articles change in the genitive. You will notice that the highlight is basically that der and das words, masculine and neuter nouns, will change to des with an ending of es or s onto the noun that follows it. The feminine and plural will change to der. And if you're talking about indefinite articles, the ein and ein will change to eines, and then if you are using, for example, kein, you could be, for D words, it would be keine or eine. Let's take another look at how the definite articles change. Der will change to des. Die will change to der. Das will change to des. And the die plural will change to der. Let's take a look at how the indefinite articles change. Ein, meaning a der word, change to eines. Ein or eine for a feminine noun would change to einer. And ein for a das word would change also to eines. If the noun being written in the genitive is a der masculine noun or das neuter noun, then the noun itself will take either an s or an es ending. If the noun is more than one syllable long, it will normally just take an s. For example, the time of my life, die Zeit meines Lebens. It's das Leben. And Leben is 2 syllables long. The circle of life, der Kreis des Lebens. Again, Leben is 2 syllables long, so it only takes an s. If the noun is 1 syllable long, it will normally take an es. For example, my friend's car, das Auto meines Freundes. The title of the film, der Titel des Filmes. Film, 1 syllable long. The feminine and plural nouns do not take any additional endings onto their nouns. The genitive case is also used with certain genitive prepositions. These are während, which means during or while. Statt or anstatt, which means instead of. Außerhalb, which is outside of. Innerhalb, which can mean inside of something. Trotz is in spite of or despite. And wegen is because of. Übung macht den Meister. Practice does make perfect. So we're going to try a few practices. The War of the Stars. So we're going to start with der Krieg. Sterne is a plural noun. It's feminine. So the definite article changes to der. And there is no ending onto the noun itself, so it stays Sterne. He is the master of the game. Ist der Meister des Spieles. Spiel is a das word, so it changes to des, and since it is 1 syllable, it adds an es. It is the end of the world. Es ist das Ende der Welt. Again, it's a feminine noun, so it changes to der, and no ending onto the noun itself. When showing possession with the names of people, countries, or cities, German sometimes also adds an s without an apostrophe. This is possible. Das ist Jakobshaus, das ist Wilfrieds-Buch, oder das ist Atlantas Flughafen. Ich hoffe, dass das hilfreich war. Auf Wiedersehen.